Beautiful, isn't it? But what if I were to tell you that the energy we're using is a key factor to global warming? Or that it's going to run out 53 years from now? Well, don't worry. There's an alternative. This is the energy revolution.
We have abundant sun, water, and wind. These are renewable energy sources, meaning that we won't use them up over time. What if we could exchange our fossil fuel dependence for an existence based solely on renewables? We've pondered that question for decades, and yet renewable energy still only provides about 13% of our needs. That's because reaching 100% requires renewable energy that's inexpensive and accessible. This represents a huge challenge, even if we ignore the politics involved and focus on the science and engineering. We can better understand the problem by understanding how we use energy. Global energy use is a diverse and complex system, and the different elements require their own solutions.
Hi, I'm here to tell you guys that if you start now with renewable resources, by the time you have a family and all that, you can save up to $30,000 in savings in your electricity bill.
What's up, Tyler?
Oh, hey, Marcus.
How you doing?
I had the worst day today.
What's going on?
I got my electricity bill today.
Yeah.
And it was $100.
Oh, crap.
And I live by myself.
That's excessive. I was talking to Allie a couple days ago, and I was telling her about renewable energy sources, like wind turbines. And if we switch to that type of renewable energy source, we could save and cut down on monthly bills like 30%.
30%?
That's serious. So like, say your bill's $100, you start to cut it down to 70.
Oh my gosh.
Straight up.
Fossil fuels have fueled global economic development over the past century, with the U.S. leading in the consumption of oil. The burning of fossil fuels was responsible for roughly 80% of greenhouse gas emissions, according to the U.S. Energy Information Agency in 2016. These gases contribute directly to the greenhouse effect, which could have catastrophic changes to the Earth's climate. In the U.S., we use nearly 20 million barrels of oil per day as of reports in 2017. Combustion of oil releases fine particulates that can cause severe respiratory problems. Coal is primarily used to produce electricity, which in the US makes up 30% of its power supply, which is down from previous years, however. China, the leader in coal, uses nearly 50% of the world's power supply. Coal is responsible for 32% of greenhouse gas emissions.
What's up, Allie?
Hey, how you been?
I've been okay. Doing all right
That's
today?
good, that's good. Yeah, just sitting out here, enjoying the windy weather and whatnot.
Right. It is kind of windy outside.
It is, yeah. You see my hair all up in my face and stuff?
Yeah. Just random fact, we can turn wind energy, kinetic energy with wind turbines into renewable energy.
No way.
I swear you can.
So people can use all that energy coming from the wind and power like actual electrical appliances in their home.
They could.
So how come we haven't been doing that?
Let's find out.
To show you how easy you can start off by changing to renewable energy at home, we took a visit and went to our local hardware store. You can easily switch to LED lights, which use at least 75% less energy and last 25 times longer than incandescent lighting, which is safe and easy to install. There's also options for outdoor lights that actually run on solar energy, with various and unique options you can choose from and make the switch to alternative energy.
He's got a breakup.
China, I feel like Trump. China.
We got to do a handshake. That mean go.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.